Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
A spatchcocked turkey requires a slightly different carving technique than a bird cooked the traditional way, but the basic approach remains the same. Remove the legs and wings, and then slice the breast meat.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Bake in a 325°F oven alongside side dishes for about 45 minutes to an hour, depending on the size of the bird. Once it's warm, carve the turkey into slices. You'll find that this is much easier to do with segments than it is with a whole bird.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.